Welcome to the CrispMetrics. Suppose we have a problem in which we have to find that student will pass or not. First we have to create decision tree. We have to calculate entropy for each column. So first we have to see how many times 5 and 6 are there in our first column. Then find the probability according to the output. We have 1 times 6 in our first column. Then see with 6 how many times we have yes in our output. So according to that our probability will be 0 divided by 2. Similarly for no probability is 1 divided by 2. After that calculate entropy for that. Entropy will be 0.15. Now let's see for second column. We have 4 and 3 unique numbers. So first see how many time 4 is repeated. According to that how many time we are getting yes in our output with 4. So the probability will be 1 divided by 2. Similarly for no output also. Finally our entropy will be 0.30. Now let's see for second column. So first see how many time 3 is repeated. According to that how many time we are getting yes in our output with 3. So the probability will be 1. We are not getting output as no with 3 number in second column. Finally our entropy will be 0. Now let's see for third column. So first see how many time 8 is repeated. According to that how many time we are getting yes in our output with 8. So the probability will be 1. We are not getting output as no with 8 number in third column. Finally our entropy will be 0. Inside third column. So first see how many time 9 is repeated. According to that how many time we are getting yes in our output with 9. So the probability will be 0 because we do not have yes with 9. We are getting output as no with 9 number in third column. Finally our entropy will be 0. So it is the summary of our entropies that we calculated with respect to occurrence of numbers in each column. Now we have entropies. Now we have to calculate information gain. Formula is written so we are going to see directly answers. First column has 0.86 gain, second column has 0.80, and third column is having 1. Now we have to take root node which have highest value of information gain. So our root node will be sleep and according to the numbers we have to separate them. Now here we have to apply again same procedure to distribute data with respect to left decision node and right decision node of root node. Suppose we got our highest information gain of study column. So it will separate like this. This is all about this video. Subscribe for more videos.